If you screamed in the vacuum of space standing right next to another person, they would hear absolutely nothing. Not a whisper, not a muffled sound, nothing at all. And the reason has nothing to do with distance. Every explosion, every roaring engine, every dramatic sound effect you have ever heard in a space movie, none of that could actually happen the way it is shown. Real space is utterly, permanently silent. Sound is not something that exists on its own. It is a physical vibration, molecules bumping into each other in a chain reaction, whether through air, water, or solid material. On Earth, air molecules are packed closely enough to carry those vibrations to your ears almost instantly. Space, however, has almost no molecules at all, nothing close enough together to carry a vibration anywhere. Earth's atmosphere at sea level contains an almost unimaginable number of molecules packed into every single cubic inch. Deep space, by comparison, might contain only a handful of atoms across that same distance. With molecules spread that far apart, there is simply nothing there to bump into anything else, meaning any vibration created instantly has nowhere left to go. Filmmakers add sound to space scenes for a simple reason. Silence feels unsettling and disconnected to an audience, used to hearing everything on screen react realistically. So sound design in space movies is intentionally inaccurate, added purely for emotional impact. Not because anyone actually believes explosions make noise out there. There is one exception. If two solid objects are physically touching, like two spacecraft docked together, vibrations can travel directly through that solid connection, allowing astronauts to sometimes hear or feel sound through the hull itself. But float even a few feet away from any solid surface, and that connection is instantly broken, returning you to complete, total silence. Within seconds, every single launch, explosion, and collision happening in space right now, at this exact moment, is unfolding in complete silence. Regardless of how violent or massive the event actually is, space is not just empty of air, it is empty of sound itself, permanently, everywhere, all the time.